All right, I think there's a little bit of downhill here. So remember, get your weight back. All right, here it is. Don't feel like you have to follow me. Just go your own pace. You good? I think I'm going downhill again here. You can walk this. You might want to walk it. I'm not gonna go with that. Yeah, walk it, walk it. You good? That's the rock wall right there.
Okay, let's see it.
I'm gonna build a little speed. It's easier with speed, but feel free to do whatever you want. All right, I think we might be speeding up a little bit right here. Oh yeah, right here. Downhill? I'm pretty sure we're going down here. Let's get it. Be careful. If I remember it, there are switchbacks and shit. So yeah. Just try to keep up, but look ahead. Absolutely. Keep your weight back. Remember, weight back. Weight back. Yep. Chest low, weight back.
You don't fall forward.
Yep. All right, ready?
Okay. All right.
Yeah, buddy. Make sure you take it easy over here. There's a.
You went through this fast?
Yeah. When I make the edit, you'll see the playback. Oh shit.
Everything is, my back tires slip like crazy.
Yeah?
I'm going down. Yeah, right one's the back.
I don't know for your particular bike, but generally, yeah.
Really, like you have the momentum.
That's why you gotta keep your weight back.
Brake,
yeah.
It just slides out.
Weight back, man. That's why you gotta keep your weight back. You can see my braking trail right here. What? Oh. There we go. You're good.
I was backwards after the fall.
Look up, look up. Just walk it, just walk it, just walk it.
My front tire goes through the rock, and then my
Because you're still sitting on your seat. You're not supposed to sit.
What's this thing? Pedal.
Yeah.
my pedal then hits.
You see my braking show?
My shit is broken, that's why.
What? Oh, stop, get off it. You have a branch in your, yeah.
But then my pedal seems to hit the rock right after.
Yeah, you gotta be careful. Yeah.
It's hard to time it.
Yeah. You should watch the video back from when I'm doing it.
Yeah,
You'll see what happens.
This is a nice shot.
It is. It's really good. Especially considering it's right here, like literally right here.
It's right behind the house.
Yep.
Oh, you can do this every day if you want to.
Yeah. All right.
Let's get it.
I'm gonna start pedaling quick. I'm gonna speed up here.
Absolutely.
Woo! Turn. Yeah. I didn't take the best line. I kind of just jumped I kind of just went over the whole thing.